Hi everyone, today we are going to learn the practical number 6 for advanced Python for data science. This is your question. The code is import cborn has SNS, import matplotlib.py plot has plot. So the purpose of this is basically we load a built-in iris dataset which creates a seaborn scatter plot between two numerical values which can use the different markers for each category, and accordingly we customize the plot size, title and axis label. Next, we have load a dataset. Data is equal to SNS load underscore dataset iris, which contain the numerical columns like sepal underscore length, sepal underscore width. And it has a categorical column, that is species, setosa, versicolor, and virginsa. So here, what does it do is, it loads the iris dataset, which is a built-in seaborn dataset. Next, we have plot.figure. Figure size is to 8,5. It says the size of the plot. We give the width as 8 inches, height we give as 5 inches, which makes the plot clear and more readable. Next, SNS.scatter plot. Data is equal to data. X is equal to sapple underscore length. Y is equal to sapple underscore width. Q is equal to species. Style is equal to species. And S is equal to 80. Data set has been used. X axis we give as numerical column, that is sepal length, and sepal width, that is y axis, is my numerical column as well. Hue, it is species, that is different colors for each species. Style is equal to species, which different marker shapes for each species. And we have mentioned S is equal to 80, that is the size of the marker. Next, we have plot titles. Seaborn scatter plot with the hue and markers. Next, we have plot X label, sapple length. Plot dot Y label, that we have sepal width. I am mentioning the title and the axis labels. Next, we have is plot.type underscore layout, which represents the overlapping of labels. Then plot.show, which display the scatter plot. This is the output, which shows the x-axis has my sepal length and y-axis my sepal width. Each point over here represents a different flower and different color. You can see that we have blue, we have orange and green. These color represent different species, and it has different shapes also. You can see cross, square, like circle. These are the different species of the marker shapes. So it helps me to understand visually. I can compare how sepal length and width vary among iris species. That's it for this practical. So if you have any doubts, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you.